Welcome back to PolicyX.com. We really hope that everyone in your family is safe during this grave pandemic. Please take care of yourselves, get vaccinated, maintain social distancing, take all the precautions, and COVID shall pass too. This is just a phase. Well, taking you forward for today, we shall talk about Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance. So let us understand the key features. Number 1. Network Hospital. Bajaj has a tie-up with more than 6,500 network hospitals which take care of the cashless facilities for the customers. Bajaj also has an in-house health administration team that settles the cashless claims within an hour. अब आपको यहाँ पर शायद एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, what if I get admitted to a non-network hospital? Well, Bajaj has an option here also of reimbursement where the paid amount is refunded to the insurer after 10 to 12 working days. Next is lifelong renewability. Point number 3, claim support. As mentioned earlier also in the previous videos, this is a very important factor which you should consider while choosing your insurance company. Claim support determines the claim settling ability of the insurance provider. According to IRDAI Annual Report 2019 to 2020, Bajaj has settled 98.61% of claims within a time period of 3 months, which actually makes it very trustworthy amongst the public. Next is market share. According to the last report of IRDAI, annual gross premium of Bajaj is at 2,138.53 crores, which is really significant. Market share determines the business volume. And business volume effectively depicts how many people are associated with a particular company. तो basically आपको help होगा ये सोचने में कि आपको भी इस कंपनी से एसोसिएट होना चाहिए या फिर नहीं. Next, we have solvency ratio. Solvency ratio is basically used to measure the company's ability to meet its long-term debt. It is mandatory to maintain a health solvency ratio of 1.5, and as per IRDAI Annual Report 2019 to 2020, solvency ratio of Bajaj is 2.45, which is considered to be pretty healthy. N number of insurance companies and N number of plans. Yet, why should you buy Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance? Number 1, cashless treatment, which we have already spoken about. Number 2, Ayush treatment. Bajaj provides cover for Ayush, which involves Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. It is actually advisable to add Ayush to your health plan if you have senior citizens at your home, because it is one of the best alternative treatments for them. Point number 3, cherry on the cake, 24/7 customer support. Number 4, coverage for pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses. Coverage for pre-hospitalization 30 days and for post-hospitalization 60 days. Point number 5, value-added services through which you can save up to 30% on medication, OPD treatment, pharmacy, health, and wellness test. Number 6, we have health checkup, which you can avail after 4 claim-free years, but only at the diagnostic centers of the network hospital. Next, we have cover for pre-existing diseases. They are covered after 4 years of a waiting period. Lastly, we have tax benefits, which you can avail under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act 1961. Let us now understand the exclusions of Bajaj Allianz Insurance Plan. जितना इम्पोर्टेंट ये समझना है कि एक इंश्योरेंस प्लान में क्या कवर होगा, उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट ये समझना भी है कि आपके प्लान में क्या क्या कवर नहीं होगा. Self-inflicted injuries such as suicide attempt, cosmetic or plastic surgeries, hair transplant, any deformation because of any accident or critical illness. Now, very importantly, Bajaj will cover the dental damage due to the accident that requires hospitalization. But any other kind of dental procedure is generally excluded from the plan. HIV-related treatment, treatment for congenital diseases, drug abuse, any fertility-related procedure, diseases like piles, hernias and cataract will only be covered after the completion of 2 years from the starting date of the policy. We come across this question very frequently कि एक कंपनी अपना प्रीमियम कैसे कैलकुलेट करती है अपने हेल्थ प्लान के लिए. Let us understand how Bajaj Allianz does it. Number 1, age. जितनी एज कम होगी उतना ही प्रीमियम कम होगा, क्योंकि उतने ही चांसेस कम होंगे आपके एक प्री एग्जिस्टिंग डिजीज या क्रिटिकल इलनेस होने के. And also it will make you eligible for a higher sum insured. Factor number 2, medical history. The cleaner the record of your health condition, the lower the premium amount. Number 3, smoking habit. Smoking will kill, and smoking will also increase the premium amount. Because a smoker is obviously more prone to illnesses like respiratory problem, etc. Number 4, sum insured. Sum insured is the amount of cover offered by a health insurance plan. Higher the sum insured, the higher the premium. The lower the sum insured, the lower the premium. So if by the end of this video you have decided to purchase this plan, please take a look at the documents which are required. KYC document, 1 passport size photograph, medical record, family medical history, and application form. Lastly, we would like to address a very important concept, claim settlement process. अगर टाइम आने पर आपका क्लेम सेटल ना हो तो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस का बेसिक पर्पस डिफीट हो जाता है. Therefore, it is very important to understand the 2 kinds of claim processes. Number 1 is cashless claim settlement process, and number 2 is reimbursement claim settlement process. Let us first talk about cashless claim settlement process. कैशलेस क्लेम के लिए एलिजिबल होने के लिए पॉलिसी होल्डर का ट्रीटमेंट सिर्फ किसी एक नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में होना चाहिए. Thereafter, please inform the insurance company, complete the pre-authorization form available. Hospital will share the form with the company on its own. An approval letter from the claim management team of Bajaj will be sent to the hospital and the policy holder will be notified. And thereafter, company will directly deal with the hospital for the bills and the expenses. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Aspect number 2, reimbursement claim settlement process. ये तब वैलिड होता है जब आप किसी नॉन नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवा रहे हो. उस केस में आपको अपने एक्सपेंसेस खुद पे करने पड़ेंगे. बट आफ्टर दैट, प्लीज डाउनलोड द क्लेम फॉर्म फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ द कंपनी. Submit the form along with the required documents. When your claim gets approved, company will transfer the funds directly to the registered bank account. Note: In case of any medical emergency, you need to inform Bajaj within 24 hours. And in case of a planned hospitalization, you have to notify the company 48 hours before the hospitalization. Thank you for listening out to us. That is all about Bajaj Allianz Health Insurance. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. We shall definitely answer them. Also, let us know if you want us to make a video on any particular topic. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Subscribe to PolicyX.com, like, share and comment. Thank you.